Control over Disney property is on the line, and today, lawyers for the company and its new governing board squared off in court.
The board, appointed by Governor Ron DeSantis, sued Disney, claiming agreements with the former board should be thrown out. WESH 2 News political reporter Greg Fox is live at the Orange County Courthouse in downtown Orlando. And Greg, did the judge make a ruling?
The judge did not. She heard about an hour's worth of arguments from both sides in this case. We'll review case law and then make a decision in the days ahead. But right now, let's take you inside the Orange County Courthouse, where there was a legion of attorneys on both sides in this courtroom. The new board controlling Disney property, the Central Florida Tourism Oversight District, sued Disney in circuit court. It wants all land development contracts between the company and its former governing board, the Reedy Creek Improvement District, declared null and void. And it argued that the matter should be settled in this local court, not in federal court where Disney is suing the governor in the district. Disney argued the lawsuit should be dismissed because Ron DeSantis and Republican lawmakers passed a law after the suit was filed, which already invalidates old development agreements.
Well, the fact remains 1604 bars their enforcement. And really, that's the beginning and the end of the matter. This case requires the straightforward application of well-settled law.
This case should be heard in this court. It clearly is not moot.
A little back and forth going on now. Of course, this whole feud started last year when Disney opposed Governor Ron DeSantis' parental rights and education bill, dubbed by critics the Don't Say Gay law. Disney has said the outcome of these legal cases could determine if they move forward with major development plans at Disney World. Disney's attorneys today also asked the judge that if, in fact, the case is not dismissed here in circuit court, if the judge would at least put a stay on it, a pause. In other words, holding off on the rest of the proceedings here until the matter in federal court with Disney's lawsuit against the governor to be settled. Live in Orlando, Greg Fox, WESH 2 News.